We don't witness seismic shifts in the retail industry very often. Perhaps slow and subtle ones, but rarely generation-defining.
Retail has long been dominated by giants, but now there is an opportunity to disrupt the status quo.
We are on a mission to change the shopping habits of a nation, partnering with homegrown brands to bring consumers a new type of choice.
We want to raise the profile of all the amazing designers and producers that we have right here on our doorstep.
Promoting an easier way for consumers to purchase more locally and sustainably.
Our mission is to make it easier for time-poor consumers to find high-quality products from British brands in a way we believe has not been possible until now.
We want to redefine what it means to buy British, whilst championing our core inclusivity and sustainability values.
Being an independent brand for me means running a company from the heart and making a unique product and getting it to the right people.
Our studio in East London operates in a very special way. Sustainability is so much more than just a product. We want to make sure that customers know why they're buying something or what kind of brand they're buying into. And that's why storytelling is so crucial. Our focus is local production, supporting local manufacturers, and also making sure to use the most sustainable fabrics.
The problem we have is to compete against the mainstream brands to find a way to stand out and get our unique story across. BritYard aims to create a new retail destination, a place where independent British brands can flourish and grow.
Whilst they focus on storytelling and marketing.
We can focus on our craft and what really matters to us.
It's definitely crucial to partner and collaborate with other people in order to thrive for change. And that's why it's so important for us to work together with BritYard and have this opportunity to be a collective rather than just one business within this huge industry.
Since our soft launch earlier this year, we now represent over 80 independent British brands and are excited to continue expanding our horizons.
One of the key things as an investor is to really believe in the team that you're backing. And I've known Rob and Lara for many years. Rob worked with me, he worked on the other side of me, and I think they're a young, dynamic team that have got, great opportunity to take this business really far forward. Personally, I see BritYard as a great disruptor to existing retail channels. It's a great platform for independent British brands, and I see the potential going forward as enormous.
Over £185 billion is forecast to be spent online in the UK this year, with e-commerce representing nearly 40% of total retail sales, a figure that is projected to keep on growing. With your investment, we will continue to enhance the BritYard e-commerce platform, improving the user journey with new features and functionality.
Allowing us to continue growing our list of partners with the aim of making BritYard the world's most comprehensive collection of independent British brands.
We will invest in journalistic-grade, written, audio and video content to tell the stories of our brands and the real people behind them. So join us on our journey
to showcase the incredible array of homegrown talent
and make BritYard the home of independent British brands.
Support the great British shopping revolution
and invest in BritYard today.